Doesn't it make you happy when you look at it? This reminded me of a Chanel bag. She's cute. Hello, it is Shae here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do videos on home decor, locks, mostly locks, a little bit of fashion and healthy eating. So if that is your thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give me a like as well. Today's video, I am showing you my Coach collection. I only have 4 Coach bags. 2 are old and 2 are new. So let me get into my my old ones first. If you did not watch my Louis Vuitton collection video, please go do that as well. I was saying on that video that my love for designer bags started really young. My dad bought me a Dooney and Burke probably when I was in like middle school, and he used to buy my mom nice purses. So I just always loved you know, nice purses. I'm very thrifty, but I will spend on handbags and on sunglasses. So that's my thing. Anyway, let me start with the first one. And this is a Coach bag. This is like the classic monogram. I feel like everybody who has a Coach has this bag. It's a little dirty. You know what though? I have a cleaners, like my cleaning person that does my clothes or whatever. I saw that she had some bags there when I went to pick up some of my clothes, so I might ask her to clean this one. Let me know down below if you have like canvas Coach bag and how you clean it. I know I saw on Pinterest that you can clean it yourself at home, but I'm always a little scared to do that. But anyway, if you have one of these bags, let me know how you clean it. But anyway, this is my first Coach bag. I have no idea when I got it. I really don't. It's that old. I don't wear it a lot, but I need to because it's a vibe. It is still a vibe. So anyway, nice monogram Coach bag, canvas. I think this is navy blue. It might be coming across as black, but I really do think it's navy blue. I can't talk. You know, classic Coach style. So that's my first one. My next bag is a vintage Coach bag, and I got this one from my aunt, my lovely aunt, who also gifted me a few Louis Vuitton vintage bags. Aren't I lucky? Yes, I am. So yeah, this is a nice Coach bag. It's like a clutch. It doesn't have a strap. It doesn't even have a place for straps. It's definitely a classic clutch. I've carried it a few times, not as much as I should. And yeah, it's it. You wouldn't even, the only way you know it's Coach is right here. Like it doesn't have a monogram, it doesn't have anything on it, but it's that genuine leather. It's nice. My next one, okay, so the next 2 are new Coach purchases. I'll save the best for last. So this one I just recently got, and I got this from the Coach outlet website. If you have not went to that site, please do. They have some really good Coach bags, and also like in a lot of malls, I guess they have Coach outlets, like in the outlet malls, right? So anyway, but I got this one online. This, I was thinking summertime Coach, kind of classic. I looked at it for a while and I finally got it. It is a tote bag and it has flowers all over it. How cute is that? So I carried it when I went to Vegas this summer. But it's just, I don't know, it makes me happy when I look at it. It's very summery, and I think spring and summer is the only time that I will carry this bag, but I love it. Doesn't it make you happy when you look at it? I love it. All right, the last one, saving my best for last. So this is a recent purchase. I actually got this on the Nordstrom website when they had their oh my gosh, half yearly sale. So to me, this reminded me of a Chanel bag. So I cannot afford a Chanel bag right now. It's just not in the budget. So I was like, let me get something close to it. What makes it to me kind of like Chanel-like, I'll say, is the little chain detail. Yes, I know Chanel has the chain detail all the way around the strap. This one only has it, you know, for a few inches or whatever. But this is just, it's a classic bag. No, it does not hold that much, but it will hold like a small wallet and your phone and some lipstick, right? And that's pretty much, you know, like all that I'll need if I'm going out for the weekend. Now this I won't carry every day to work because I just have too much stuff for work, so I won't carry it every day, but I do carry it on the weekends, and it is just lovely. Look at this, look at that right there. Can you see that? I hope it's focusing. How it has Coach on the little I don't know what you call it. Anyway, it's just a little detail on the little circle thing there. Like I said, it is not very large, but it's cute. She's cute. She's trendy. It has Coach right there. It also had the Coach tag, but I took it off. But anyway, the little Coach tag right there, Coach New York. I mean, I don't know what else to say. So that is it for my haul. This was a quick one because like I said, I don't have a lot of Coach bags, but I am starting to get into them more. I've been looking at a few, and I plan on purchasing more really soon, but I just wanted to show you what I have now. When I get some new ones, I'll come back and show that to you as well. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.